Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and this is a new listing. We're at 1116 Via Zumaya, which comes up from PV Drive and snakes on through up into the upper Lunada Bay. So this is just past Via Carrillo, and as you can see, we got ocean view out here. So 2-car garage at the top, and it brings you onto this next level, which has like a really cool deck. Super nice. And a waterfall. All right, stepping on in, beautiful. Looks like, well, it's marble, I think. Entrance here. And then we have our downstairs, direct access. Let's just go this way real quick. Oh, there's an office up in the front. It's nice. Windows look replaced. It's vaulted ceiling here. It's cool. And then we have an upstairs half bath and beautiful glass bowl sink. This is our living area. It's got a vault too. We'll come back around. Let's go this way. Oh boy. Listing agents George Bush and his wife makes cookies in here. Outstanding. Look at all of them. Oh boy. This is tough for me, and I can smell them now. Oh my god. All right. So, anyways, getting back to business. Laundry here, and this must have like it's pantry. So there's no direct access to the garage. Kitchen. And then what's always nice is a sink with an ocean view. Good looking counters, backsplash, the glass rack, that's nice. This is beautiful cabinetry. They're metal. Nice solid pieces, cool poles. Nice oven and microwave. Let's just do the whole thing pulls out. That's nice. Alright, it takes us into dining. And then on into this big living room. And then this goes right out to the view. So, nice deck. Oh, that's cool. It's got this spiral staircase going down. And your street to street lot here. So it goes down to what turns into Zarita. And we get the tip of Catalina over there, which means the little islands in here. And I can see Santa Monica Mountains. So this house will have sunsets all year long. Lunada Bay is like right there, the actual bay itself, so this is the other side. Pretty neat. This is awesome. Beautiful. Nice big deck. This is great. No direct access to garage.
Through the laundry area, there is.
There is. Okay, I'm gonna go back. All right, so we've done some research and some questions, and there is no direct access to the garage. That's important to know. But you know what? You got a great top floor here. You know, with that office, gosh, it'd be nice if we could get a shot of that, but it is what it is. Okay, going downstairs. It's carpet. We have a mid-level here. Ooh, this is interesting. This is a big room that comes into your master bath with the deck, shower, tub, into the closet. Ooh, huge closet. This goes way back. Okay. I like this. Beautiful deck here and a great view. It's cool. So this whole level is just this room right here. It's a big room. There's more. So we have another room. Interesting. And another. Keeps going. background. So 1, 2, 3, and they all use that bath and then the master. But this is like a huge office room with the master. Then we go downstairs. Bath here, full bath. Bedroom with the closet. And this one has not much view because it's overgrown, but it's pretty. And then a rec room. It's cool. Nice wet bar. This is where that staircase goes. That's cool. Got some decking here. Oh, there's a guest house. Or a pool room. Something. Oh, it's a sauna and a bathroom. So pretty neat. And then this just goes right to the street, which is super cool. So, and that's Via Romero. Good view from down here. It's nice. So the market's crazy. It's been really active, very busy. It's still a lot happening, even though people are on vacation for August. But very active market. If you're looking or have some questions, give me a call. Here's looking back up at the property. It's a good one. Make it a great day.